टीना हाय, पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आपको सेंस 8 टीवी शो के लिए, करेक्ट?
थैंक यू।
पहले तो हम थोड़ा सा पीछे जाएंगे बिकॉज यू मॉडल देन एक्टर देन हॉलीवुड टीवी शो। कैसी रही ये पूरी जर्नी टीना? कैसी देखती है अपनी जर्नी को?
काफ़ी इवेंटफुल है मेरे लिए क्योंकि आई मीन I've enjoyed my stint with modeling tremendously क्योंकि ads करना बहुत fun है. You meet different directors, you work on different scripts, you get to play many characters, do many fun things, travel a lot. So it's been a really phenomenal ride. I've done about 120 commercials now, so I really enjoy the ad world. और उसके बाद मैंने 3-4 हिंदी फिल्म किए जो the characters of which were very interesting, जो काफ़ी strong characters हैं, जो लड़की सिर्फ नाचती नहीं है, though I should tell you I love dancing now, लेकिन quite substantial and quite strong the characters were, so I've really enjoyed that. And now to do work in the West is also very different because of how their writing is. Their writing, their scripts, their characters, their themes are very different from what we do in India. So to be able to experiment and understand their quality of cinema as in addition to what we do here is quite a lot of fun. So I mean, it's a great learning experience. I've had some good experiences, I've had some bad experiences, but it's all been a great learning curve and very enjoyable, and touch wood, I'm very happy.
देन उसके बाद हमें सडनली न्यूज़ आती है कि टीना कुछ हॉलीवुड टीवी शो कर रही है, तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस और क्या कुछ होगा उसमें आपका किरदार?
Sense8 is for Netflix, which is something that's only in other countries. It hasn't come to India yet. Or the story, I'm going to explain this in English because it's easier, is about 8 people from around the world who are completely unrelated, and they witness like this really tragic incident together. And after that, they become mentally and emotionally linked, and they can travel to other places even though they're physically still in their own land. And even as they're trying to understand how that's happening to them, they also realize that their souls are being hunted, which can affect the future of mankind, and so they have to fight to protect themselves. So I mean, it's a intense human drama on a sci-fi premise, but it also has action and romance and comedy and all of that. So it caters to all kind of tastes. And I play the role of Kara, who's a scientist from Mumbai, and I have a good sort of paradoxical character, because on one hand I believe in God very strongly, so there's faith and religion on one side, and then on the other side I'm a scientist, so there's the thing about facts and science. So she's got like science on one side and she's got faith on one side, so it's a good sort of split to have to deal with. And also there are other plot themes that continue, but it's also been shot extensively across 9 countries from around the world. Mexico City, San Francisco, Chicago, London, Reykjavik, Nairobi, Korea, Mumbai and Seoul. So it's been exhaustive. We've shot at live locations, we haven't used any sets. And it kind of affects the fabric of the story when you shoot at live locations, and the cast is truly multinational because people from around the world have actually been cast. It's not one sort of culture. So the story attempts to deal with various things like your true identity and your sexuality and your action. Yeah, it has everything, so it's really dealt with several issues at the same time. And yeah, I mean, I can go on talking about various things about the show, but it's very interesting, and it premieres June 5th.
Okay, different countries में लोकेशन रही, different तो कैसा ना different countries में जाके शूट करना और different countries का experience?
That's one of the things that the show actually deals with. The thing that we're all so culturally different because of the various lands that we belong to, But if you break that down, if you peel away those layers, at the end of it, we're all still the same sort of human beings. So even though we're culturally different, we all still are the same. And you actually experience that, because when you meet someone for the first time, you sense the difference in terms of accent, in terms of language, in terms of understanding, and all of those things. But give it a few days and everyone's the same. We all just connect as human beings at a basic level, and that's really what the show deals about as well. The fact that we're all so different and yet we're all still the same. And when you travel to each place, you understand about the way they live their life and the way they think and operate, and it makes you question what your beliefs are, because you're brought up to understand the world in a certain way, and in another land they don't think that way at all. They think very differently. Their rights and wrongs are different. What they think is culturally right is very different from what you believe. So it makes you realize that after all, we live based on man-made rights and wrongs, and that changes around the world. Like in India, you don't let older people carry your bags. Sorry. Sorry. In India, you don't let older people carry your bags, or you don't let older people walk too far. You kind of look after them. But when I was in London recently, this much older man insisted that he hold my bags, and I was like, no, but I can't burden you. And then he insisted on dropping me all the way home, even though it was really late at night. And I was like, no, but I'm close. I can make it on my own. I don't want you to walk extra. But it's this. And several other things. I mean, Nairobi feels differently about things. Seoul feels differently about things. When you touch someone's feet, they don't understand it. So, I mean, it's just really great to see those differences and realize that you can just broaden your thought process quite a lot if you allow yourself to.
And अनुपम खेर जो कि वो भी हमें इस शो में देखने को मिलेंगे, तो उनके साथ का कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस, और वो क्या कुछ करने वाले, उनका क्या कुछ किरदार होगा, क्या कुछ कैरेक्टर होगा उनका इस शो में?
Mr. Kher plays my father, and I truly enjoy working with him because he is someone I worked with on my first film, Ye Fasle, and he takes tremendous interest in my performance. He's always very alert. So, even somehow if he's sitting in that side of the room, he still pays attention to what I am doing, and he'll be like, don't do this or do that or change this or keep that, or whatever. He's constantly like giving me pointers, which is very sweet for him to be that interested in what I do. And he's also, he's someone I enjoy like fooling around with. Like I like bullying him, and he allows me to bully him. So that's a lot of fun, considering that he's Mr. Kher. But we have that sort of great rapport, and I enjoy that. And working on Sense8 was very different from working on Ye Fasle. Ye Fasle was a very intense sort of film, and in this one I play the not spoiled, but I play Daddy's little girl in Sense8. Where but we also have we also have a relationship of being really good friends. So I'm someone who discusses all my problems with my father in Sense8. So we have this relationship of respect and trust, but also great friendship and ease. So it was nice to play that sort of thing with him a second time around.
मतलब अगर हम हिंदी में कहें तो इंडिया की कल्चर, जो इंडिया की जो खुशबू होगी, वहाँ भी वो फील आ रही होगी, because अनुपम खेर and you. Yes. Correct?
Yes. Mr. Kher, एक्चुअली सभी कैरेक्टर्स के अपने अपने स्टोरीज है. तो अगर सैन फ्रांसिस्को का स्टोरी है, तो उस लड़की की जो भी रिलेटिव्स है, फैमिली है, फ्रेंड्स है, वर्क रिलेशनशिप, तो सबके कैरेक्टर्स में इंडिविजुअल स्टोरी लाइन्स है. And then we also connect, 8 of us also connect. So every city has an entire storyline happening. So the Indian story, there's also Purab Kohli, there's also Meeta Vashish, there's Darshan Jariwala. So we have a very good, strong lineup of Indian actors as well as international actors.
Okay, टीना, जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में भी आपने काम किया है, then हॉलीवुड में भी आई थिंक आप हॉलीवुड की सुपरस्टार बनने की कोशिश कर रही, तो कैसा मतलब कितना डिफरेंट देखती हैं हॉलीवुड और बॉलीवुड, कितना कॉम्बिनेशन है दोनों के बीच में, और क्या कुछ सिमिलरिटीज है दोनों सिनेमा में?
I think mainly हॉलीवुड में the main difference would be writing के styles बहुत अलग है, उनके जो themes है, plots है, characters है, बहुत अलग है. यहाँ पे I think you can't generalize, but we like fantasy films a lot more in India, and I think there, but you know that's happening there as well. So it's very hard to generalize. But I will say that the way their writing style is very different from our writing style. But I think the language of cinema is the same universally, and so I don't sense that difference. I think the main difference comes from the sort of script you're working on. If you're working on a comedy, then that kind of affects the entire process of the film or the show that you're making. If you're making a drama, if you're making a thriller, if you're making a horror, that affects your experience, not so much Hollywood or Bollywood. But yes, because of it being a different language and because of it being a different culture, the sort of performance that one would give when you're working in Hindi and when you're working in English changes automatically, because even if you speak Italian, your body language changes. When you speak in Thai, maybe your body language changes, your accent changes, it affects your performance, the language you speak and so it broadens your horizons again when you're working in the West, because as Indians we have a certain type of body language, and when you see them, because they're from a different culture, they have a different sort of body language, so you kind of adopt that when you have exposure to it. So I think that would be the main difference, not so much anything else.
Sense8 की प्रमोशनल स्ट्रेटजी हमें इंडिया में भी कुछ देखने को मिलेगी ऐसा कुछ?
I really hope.
Yes.
अभी Netflix इंडिया में नहीं है, so
Oh.
इसलिए इंडिया में रिलीज नहीं होगी अभी के लिए. I do hope Netflix comes to India soon, and then everyone in India will be able to see it. But they've already released one trailer. 8 more trailers come out next week, and they've planned like really elaborate promotional strategies for the release of Sense8. But hopefully in a year or two, if it comes to India, then we'll all promote it like crazy here and maybe have a launch or something as well.
Okay. तो इसके आज भी हमने सुना कि कहीं आप जाने वाली हैं, कुछ शूट होने वाला है, तो
Yeah.
वो क्या कुछ होने वाला है, इसके बारे में कुछ बताएंगे?
मैं आज रात बुखारेस्ट के लिए निकलने वाली हूँ for an ad, an Indian ad, and उसके बाद I'm going directly to San Francisco जो Sense8 के launch के लिए, और फिर LA for meetings and other work. So it's quite a long trip. I'm going away for a month and a half. And then I come back, but it'll be a fun trip. I'm going for work also, and I'm gonna also meet some friends and maybe go to Disneyland, so it'll be fun.
बस करते हैं। हाँ, तो क्या कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगी Sense8 के जरिए, क्योंकि अब तक लोगों ने आपको बॉलीवुड में देखा, अब आपको हॉलीवुड में देखने जा रहे हैं, तो क्या कुछ मैसेज होगा टीना देसाई का?
It's rightly like you said. I've done work in Bollywood so far, and मैंने 2 Hollywood films भी किए हैं, British films किए हैं, Best Exotic Marigold and then Second Best Exotic Marigold Hotel. लेकिन ये एक American show है, American TV series Netflix के लिए, और ये बहुत ही अलग कैरेक्टर है, क्योंकि it's a sci-fi drama and I play an Indian girl, yes, but in a very very different setup. So काफ़ी interesting story है जो science fiction के ऊपर based है, जो 8 लोग connect होते हैं, और मैं बॉम्बे में एक साथ ऐसा होता है शो में कि I'm in Bombay and Berlin at the same time, according to the show. So it's a very unique concept, और आपको बहुत सोचने का मौका देंगे, क्योंकि बहुत सारे issues हैं जो discuss होते हैं शो में. So it's very path breaking, जैसे Wachowski's जो writers and directors हैं, उन्होंने इसके पहले Cloud Atlas और Matrix जैसे बड़े films बनाए हैं, तो their concepts are known to be really interesting and unique. So you'll get to see more of that on Sense8. So please watch.
Tina's favorite Hollywood actor?
Oh God, so many. I like Johnny Depp and Helena Bonham Carter.
Okay, any particular reason?
I think they're very unusual in the choice of roles that they have in their performances. They don't play run-of-the-mill characters or real characters. They play fantasy-based things like Jack Sparrow and you know, when you see Dark Shadows, when you see Edward Scissorhands, they don't play normal human beings. They play different sort of characters, which is very interesting to see how they can bring to life something that's imagination based.
Okay, then. Thank you.
Thank you. Travel around India for events.
Events and interviews.
Like what? Like award shows or whatever?
No, different interviews and films interviews and films event.
So don't the local media cover it in whichever other city? Do you have to go from Bombay?
No, I'm covering on Save World for Bombay, and another team is nothing.
Okay.
World for Mumbai.
So you don't have to travel so much. Right.
But I like different events.
Look at that answer, North India. You don't like South India?
Like, why not?
Okay. Have you been to Rajasthan?
It's a very hot.
I love Rajasthan. It's so pretty. Udaipur.
So Jodhpur.
Udaipur is the best place.
Very pretty. Yeah. Especially at night when, because of the lake,
Lake.
when all the lights come on, it's magical. Have you been to Udaipur? You should make sure